Hey guys, welcome back to another auto body tech video. Today, we're going to be removing this wrecked quarter panel skin and installing a new one using the weld bond method. Let's tear it down and see if there's any hidden damage. Yep, we've got some damage to the taillight pocket and lower panel. Let's get it repaired before removing the quarter panel skin. I'll cut a window into the quarter panel to fit a clamp so that I can pull the damage. With tension on the tower, I'll release the creases and buckles by hammering. With the repairs to the rear end done, I'll disconnect and remove the door to start removing the quarter panel. I'll start off by sanding off the original spot welds using a 3M belt sander and 50 grit. With the quarter panel off, there's still a bit of hidden damage to this area, so let's take care of it. Now I'm ready to test fit the new quarter skin. These micro grip clamps are great for doing the door flange area. It gives you the ability to lock the panel down and test fit your door without any intrusion. With the gaps looking good, I'll test the rest of the parts. Once I know everything fits and the quarter panel is exactly where I want it, I'll drill some 1/8 holes to keep my position. Now when I go to install my skin for the final time, I'll have these holes to line it back up. Then I'll make my final cut through both panels. Whoops, wrong side. I'm prepping the quarter panel for spot welding. Here I'm using a non-woven belt to clean the E-coat to bare metal. I'll have to drill 8mm holes for plug welding to the areas where the spot welder can't reach. Here, I'm spraying a zinc-based weld-through primer to the bare metal where the two panels mate up. It will provide corrosion protection between the welded panels. I won't be applying it to the areas where it will be weld bonded. The adhesive will go directly to bare metal. The wheelhouse and door flange area is where the procedures call for weld bonding. I'll be using SEM's multi-purpose panel adhesive. It has a 4-hour work time and 24-hour cure time. I always make sure the product is coming out evenly before mixing it with the nozzle. Then, to make sure it's fully mixed, I'll run a bead the length of the nozzle. Now I'm ready to apply it to my panel. I'll apply enough adhesive that when I smooth it over, there is enough to completely cover all the bare metal. If you're applying this close to an area that you'll be MIG welding, you would want at least a minimum 2-inch gap. There are 2 spots that will need anti-flutter material before installing the quarter panel skin. I'll do the exact same process as the adhesive before. Now the panel's ready to be installed. I'll carefully install the panel, then I'll put in the screws from earlier and it'll be exactly where I want it. Then we can move on to welding. The weld bonding process uses adhesive bonding and resistance spot welding to deliver a sealed joint that's stronger than either of these procedures separately. I'll finish up the butt joint and plug welds with the MIG. Let's clean these welds and get this thing sealed. I'm using a matte gold cutoff tool with an adjustable head with a thick grinding disc. I'm sealing the joints here with SEM's heavy body seam sealer. This is a seam sealer that can be applied directly to bare metal. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, check out my YouTube channel where you can find all sorts of auto body videos just like this. And don't forget to subscribe.